How to copy and paste a person in iPhone photo. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Hipic app on your phone. You will then be taken to the Hipic homepage. Once you're here, tap on all photos in the Start Editing section. You can view your photos over here. Select any photo to start editing. You can now edit this photo using all the edit options available. Go to the bottom panel and swipe left to find stickers. You will find all the available stickers over here. Tap on Import Image as shown. Select the photo you want to import. On this page, tap on Auto at the bottom left. This uses AI to recognize the subject of the photo and create a cutout. After that, tap on the tick icon below. As you can see, you have successfully made a sticker out of the photo. Now, drag and place the sticker anywhere you like over the previous photo. Once you're done, tap on Export above. Following these steps, you can easily copy and paste a person in iPhone photo.